afternoon, guys. Welcome to live intraday trading today, 25th January 2021. Today we have traded in IndusInd Bank 840 put, and we are expecting it to move till 15. The market is closed, you can see here, and it has made a high of 1350, and we are in a profit of 990 rupees. We have exited this position here. So you can see here we bought it at 1150 and booked the profits around 1260. We modified it at 13, but here you see what is the momentum. Only 5 depth is seen. So here up till 15 it may go, and we have seen the orders at 28 as well. Why we have taken this trade, I will explain you. So guys, be with us. Today it opened gap down and made a high of 1125. Again it consolidated and went up. So here, if you can see in a Bank Nifty chart, there is a momentum of gap up opening and coming back to that support. Again you can see that it has went up, but eventually here, if you see, this is the resistance zone. If I draw here one rectangle tool, that is near about this zone. This is the resistance area for Bank Nifty, and previously it was support. So if you see, it went up from here, came down here, sustained a bit and went down here. This is also a support near 31,000. Where it is coming from, I'll show you in a larger time frame, that is in 3 hours. So here if you see, this range is broken. So this was the support area previously, which is broken on 22nd, and it is trading in this zone only. So we are waiting for Bank Nifty to break down this support region, and if it is not breaking, then it may come to this level for trading. Because if you see here, in case of December and January, if I extend this horizontal line, you see this is the zone which was the high of December. Okay, so that is a support area. So it is hard to break. They need the volumes like this. So we were expecting today in IndusInd Bank, I'll show you IndusInd Bank chart as well. In case of IndusInd Bank also, we have drawn this support area and it came eventually till there. We were expecting it to move till 825 and 820 tomorrow. So here the support region is broken. You see clearly, this was the support area. You see here, this was the support zone, but eventually on 22nd, as we see in Nifty Bank, it went down, and it was consolidating in this zone only and went further down and could not sustain the support. It break the support and came down. So we are expecting IndusInd Bank to move down till 815 to 820. So those who are trading in IndusInd Bank January 840 put, they can expect the momentum till 15 to 20 value. So that's all for today. This is how the chart works, and in early morning today I also explained about the bank nifty chart as well. You can see in the previous video which I shared in learn live intraday trade playlist. You can go to my channel and check the playlist as well. So let's see, if the bank nifty is breaking its support at 31,000, then we can clearly see a good move in IndusInd Bank till 800. So that's what our conditions are. So you can see here, when we have taken the trade at around 1420, that is after second half, in last 1 hour, you can see here it clearly went down, but here you can see the price action has shown that it is in a uptrend. So it takes support from here at 670 and came up. Okay, lot size is of 900, and we have taken it at around 1150. So our investment was 1150 into 900, that is 10,350. From that we have booked a profit at 990 rupees. So 990 divided by 10,350, and into 100. 9.5% return we have gained in today's live intraday trade in just 1 hour. So this is the example for those who are interested in scalp trading, or those who are keenly interested in price action. They can join our live intraday trading course. The course duration is 90 days. We are taking live classes, so no pre-recorded sessions are there. Those who are interested to join, the link is given in the description. They can join the course as well. And those who want to open their account in Zerodha, for them we have given a special discount in our technical analysis course, so they can avail that offers too. So for opening an account in Zerodha, the link is given in description. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you. Have a very good 26th January, Indian Republic Day. Enjoy the holiday and happy trading. Thank you.